Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Ёбаный в рот, блядь!
Да, хорошо.
And his name is John C.
Oh, he's chasing the car right there. Oh, man.
Yes, I am.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Flowers strewn at my feet.
We got him. Back off.
It must have peaked and fell by now. You got to wonder, this guy's probably thirsty. You know, playing cat and mouse with the law enforcement like that is never a good game. As far as I've known, except for Tom and Jerry, the mouse always is the loser in the end. And in this case, the law enforcement, definitely the cat. That Mustang, though, just stay in arm's length out of reach of those officers. And like you said, it really seems like he's doing the, I'm going to slow down, I'm going to speed up. Oh, look, he's getting up.
Slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Come out of nowhere! So you got to wonder if that engine shut off or not, because this guy, the LAPD, I'm getting wider just to show that there's just